To create this design, you need to add a cube. Then scale it along the z-axis. Then scale it along the x-axis. Apply the scale. Then shift A curve and add a Bezier curve. Rotate this curve into 90 degree. Go to the edit mode, select this handle and adjust the position of the handle. Rotate it and select this handle and move it. Adjust the scale and just try to build your design. Then E to extrude it, select this word and then press V and vector. Then rotate it in this way and scale it. Then shift A, curve and add a Bezier circle. Then scale this circle, give it right position in this way. Then select the curve and scale it, then extrude it and rotate it. Just try to maintain the curve shape. Hide this cube, then select the curve, go to the curve properties and you can here adjust the resolution. I will go with the 8. Select this circle and adjust its resolution, give the value 8. Now select both the objects and then convert them to the mesh. Select these two objects and then join them. Go to the edit mode and now you need to merge the vertices. Select this word and select this word and merge at last. Then merge these words in this way. Then select everything and then mesh and symmetry. Take the symmetry. Then select these words and delete them. Then select everything and press F to fill the gap. Then E to extrude it in this way. Then unhide that cube. Then select these two objects and shift Q. Use the Boolean operation intersect. You will get this kind of design. Apply the Boolean modifier and you can delete the cutter object. You will get this kind of design. Delete this part. Select everything and press M and merge by distance so double words will get merged. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize with the symmetry. Then select these words and then press chair to connect them. Select these words and press chair to connect them. Snap 3D cursor to here. Then select these words. Deselect this word and go to the statistics and check the vertex count. There are 16 words. Turn on the wireframe. So I need to add cylinder with 32 words and scale down them in this way. Now select these two objects and then shift Q, use the Boolean operation difference. Increase the scale of the cylinder. Then apply this Boolean modifier and delete the cutter object. Then add one word here and then adjust the position of the word in this way. Then select these words and press J to connect them in this way. And then dissolve this edge. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. Select this edge loops and press F to fill the gap and use the insert operation. Select these words and press J to connect them. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. Use the knife tool here and create cut like this. Or you can select these faces and X and delete only faces. Delete the center edge and then select these words. Go to the edge mode and then face grid fill. You can create a topology easily. Then add 3 loop cuts here and then connect these words. Then select this face and delete it. Select this edge loop and then face grid fill. Adjust the offset and turn on the simple blending. Now select everything and E to extrude it and move it along the z-axis. Now rotate it into 90 degree and move it along the z-axis and then hit the Ctrl 2 to add the subdivision modifier. Shade smooth it, uncheck this option, go to the edit mode, then select these edge loops and Ctrl B add bevel on them in this way. Then select these edge loops and Ctrl B add bevel on them and add a 2-segment bevel. Shape factor should be 1 and turn on this clamp overlap option. Then select these words and merge them at the last. Then dissolve this edge. And now select this bottom faces and use the insert operation. Use the insert operation one more time. Select these words and merge them at the center like this and create one cut like this. So in this way you can create this kind of curve design with the help of Bezier curve. You can see the form, you can see the topology. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, see you next video. Take care.